Hello guys, welcome back to IT Scholar. Today we will learn to use the column formula. But before we start the lesson, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. The columns formula works as same as the rows formula. The only difference between both of them is that rows formula returns back the result of number of rows used in the selected data. And in columns formula, it helps us to find out the number of columns used in our selected data. We are using the same data from our previous video to make things easy to understand. Let's find the number of columns used in these batches over here. Type is equal to sign, columns, bracket open, B4, semicolon, C4, bracket over, enter. And we get the answer 2, which means 2 columns are occupied within this data. Let's do it again on the second data. Third to 7th batch is equal to sign, columns, bracket open, D4, semicolon, F4, bracket over. And we get the answer 3. This data has occupied 3 columns. I guess everything is clear. If there's still any query, you may ask in the comment section down below. And do hit the like button if you like the video and share with your friends to help them out. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care.